Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You open Google Drive, click New More, then Google Forms to begin. Name your form immediately so responses map to the right topic, and add a concise description so respondents know purpose. Start adding your first questions. Choose the type: short answer for names, multiple choice for single selections, checkboxes for multiple answers, and mark required questions. Once done, rearrange questions by dragging to set logical flow. Make sure to use clear labels and helpful placeholders to reduce respondent confusion. Now you configure form behavior and presentation. Click the palette to choose theme colors and header image. Visual clarity increases completion. Open settings to collect email addresses, limit to one response, or allow respondents to edit later. For complex surveys, add sections and use. Go to section based on answer to create conditional logic. Use response validation for format checks like numbers or email. Once configured, preview the form to test every path and confirm the experience matches your intent. Finally, share your form. Click Send, choose link, email, or embed. Shorten the URL for easier sharing or copy embed code for websites. Choose where responses go, create a new Google Sheet, or select an existing one for integrated analysis. After distribution, monitor responses and adjust questions if you see misinterpretation. If respondents can't access it, check forms sharing settings and whether you limited responses to your organization. One troubleshooting tip: remove accidental required fields that block submissions and retest the form end to end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.